Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 14th day in this 100 days of coding challenge. If you are new to my channel and if you don't have any idea, then there is a playlist of my 100 days of coding challenge. Go and check it out. Yesterday we did the front end part of the quiz app. Now let's build the back end part. Now let's create an array called quiz data, and inside the array create some group of dictionaries which contains questions and options including the correct answer. Now let's get all those question elements from the HTML using DOM. Initialize current quiz and score with 0. Get quiz and answer elements. Create a function called loadQuiz. The function loads quiz questions. Now access the quiz data using current quiz. And initialize all those questions and options with their corresponding data. Now create a function called getSelected. This function helps us to select a particular answer. This function is used for deselecting answers. And create an event listener for the submit button. So this is what I've done today. If you have any doubts or any queries, if you want me to explain the logic behind those functions, then let me know through comments. Thank you. And even don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.